ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the big top. No kidding. So we have our new leaf spring in. Everything's just kind of in place for the moment. Nothing's been tightened down yet because we have to do compression to lift everything up so we can get the shock and everything mounted back on like it's supposed to be. So we'll be good that way. We still got to get the seals in, so we'll get everything taken care of on that. And, you guys ready? You ready? You ready? Ready? Are you sure? Ding! There we go. All our hardware is now cleaned up, repainted, and ready to go back on the vehicle so that it will look really, really nice. No more rust, no more nothing. So, yeah. The next video you see should be me, well, of course me, doing and putting all of this back together. So, on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I will say adios, amigos.
Rolling.
There we go.
This guy's finishing up. God, I'm impressed. No paint.
Nope.
Just au naturel.
Yep, just cleaned up, soaked. I gave them a little bit of oil so they won't, rust. Mm-hmm. Wipe them down with that so you don't you stop any flash rusting.
So
and then that'll soak in.
You lubed it up?
I lubed it.
Did you lube it up for Gary? Did you lube Gary's nuts?
I lubed his nuts and I even scrubbed them and washed them too. But I'm bang, yeah, baby.
So, yep, this guy's just got to tighten up. Yep. Shackle back here.
That's all done and in, all new bushings and all. Wait. Let me grab my light since my dumbass keeps forgetting.
Hey, dumbass, forgetting your light.
There we go. Now we can see.
Oh yeah, look at that little rubber grease.
Yep, and it slid in. Oh, perfect.
Did you moan when it went in?
A little bit I did, actually.
Oh, nice. All right. New shackles. Special thanks to Alan and Brandon at Mustang Country for hooking it up with the shackles.
And, guys, as always, thank you both.
Yeah. So, okay. This side's pretty much done. We're going to go work on tackling the spring on this. Oh, yes. Ooh, pretty, because that wasn't pretty yesterday.
No, that bolt came out so nice.
Yeah.
I mean, like, really, really good. I can't promote this stuff enough, and everywhere I go, I've sent pictures to friends and everything. I'm like, guys, you really need to try this stuff. It is literally, as you can tell.
I think Rust-Oleum, who I tag in every time we use their stuff,
yep,
needs to start paying attention.
Yeah, because we really like their product.
Because, sponsorship.
Yeah, I mean, maybe
I have a real nice race car that Rust-Oleum would look really good on.
Mm-hmm.
Ding.
That was good. I like that. Daddy needs a new hat, maybe even a shirt. Something. Hello, guys. Hey, we're doing this out of our own volition. Ooh, I used another big word.
I don't even know what that word means. I've never heard that word. Did you make that word up?
No, it's actually a real word.
Okay.
It is. I just haven't had a reason to use it in a while. But now that I'm back around all you smart peoples.
Remember, I'm the smartest dumb person you know.
You are. You are the smartest dumb person I've ever met a day in my life. And I mean that from the cockles of my heart.
From the cock and balls of your heart.
Something along those lines. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, again, we're almost done with this side. We'll get everything bolted up and taken care of. And then we'll go get the driver's side done, get that taken care of. And she's getting there. She's getting there good, and I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Ooh.
So much better.
Oh, yeah.
I love how the original single exhaust hanger is still loitering in here.
Yeah, it's actually kind of cool. It really is.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't belong, and it's kind of sort of a little bit in the way, but...
Well, not really.
You know what?
It keeps the originality to it.
It's just going to stay.
Yeah, it does. It keeps the originality to it.
I don't feel like charging Gary time to fuck with that, so...
Mouth.
F with that.
Thank you. I can deal with that. That's better.
F this. Just kidding. This has turned out really nice.
It is.
The seal was in.
I didn't know that. I thought
blind.
The seals were bigger, like out to here.
No, that's where the bearing goes. You put it together.
Yeah, but some of the other ones that I've worked on, the seals were... There's nobody in there, dude.
Hello, McFly.
You're knocking on an empty
McFly.
apartment door and nobody's in there. The windows are smashed out. There's, tarantulas growing in the roof.
There's some dead crackheads.
Probably. At least a couple of good
Wait, what? Anyway, that's the end. Everything's done. This side's pretty much done.
Yeah, so we're just gonna button everything up, put the shock on, get everything balanced out.
Shock and awe.
Yeah, baby.
Not Shaka Khan.
Not Chaka Khan. Chaka Khan. Chaka Khan. Can you rap me? Chaka. Oops, sorry.